Your eTraffickers website gives you, as the website administrator or owner, the power to refresh the look of your site quickly and easily. When you change the website template, it will change the layout and content of your homepage, update your website's header, and preserve your logo and color scheme. To use the feature, navigate to the website editor by clicking on Website on the left sidebar, then Edit Website. In the editor navigation on the right-hand side, click on Theme at the top. Scroll to the bottom and click Change Template. Browse through the available templates and click on one to preview it with your website. Your colors, logo, and navigation will remain unchanged. Once you've chosen a template, click Convert to Selected at the top of the template selections. You'll see a warning that this will erase custom content on your homepage. Only your homepage and header will change. All other page content, including any custom pages that you've created, will remain the same. If you'd like to make the changes permanent, click Erase My Content and Use Template Defaults. By following these steps, you can give your website a fresh new look in just a few clicks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@etraffickers.com.